are you? Welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. It is about 8:40, just under 8:45. I am headed to pick up one of my nieces and we're gonna do a little Nashville prep today. This is actually my pack prep with me for Nashville video. I should have started this process, maybe not this video. I should have started this process a week ago. I've just been really busy. On the agenda for today, I am picking her up. We have nails at 11:30. I was gonna do gel manicure and pedicure. I ended up peeling the white off and my nails, all of them broke. So I don't know if I want to do anything to my nails. I'll for sure do a pedicure, and I think she's just doing her nails. She wants to get a few things packing wise, I'm pretty sure. Toiletries, that sort of stuff. I have a rolling suitcase in the back that I thought maybe she could use. All she has is a shoulder bag, duffel bag type situation. So I thought if she wanted a rolling bag, then I could let her use that one. I do need to pick up my jean skirt from Old Navy. I ordered it online the last day of the sale for, how much was it? $23, I think. But I did store pickup versus shipping because number one, I didn't want to pay for shipping, but also I want to take it with me. So I need to ride down there and pick it up. I say down there because it is a little bit far, but I figured while her and I are out running errands, then, we could just slide on down there and pick that up. And then I would like to put on a fake tan tonight. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but that's the plan, so welcome. I also have picked out a couple of nighttime outfits. I need 3 daytime outfits, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, because we're driving Wednesday, coming home Sunday. So those are travel days. So I need 3 daytime outfits in the middle and then 3 nighttime outfits. I bought that floral dress from Old Navy. I tried it on with my black cowboy boots and it is perfection. It is so cute. So I will show y'all those boots as well. I had a couple people ask me about them because they're wide calf boots, actual cowboy boots. So I'll show you those in this video. I will do my very best to link them. I guess I'll have to ask Brian where he got them from. It was an early birthday present for me. My birthday is next month. And then I have another dress. You know what? Instead of just telling you everything that I have, I'll show you in this video. Probably tomorrow we'll pack together and do a last minute, do I want to take this, do I not? So that's the plan for today. I hope y'all are as excited as I am for this little trip. We've been talking about this for so long. I don't know how much of it I'll vlog, only because it's just her and I that are going. Though the whole point is thrifting. She's huge into thrifting and finds the cutest things. I actually have a few, I asked y'all anyways for recommendations for a few plus size thrift places. I would love to be able to find some really great thrift things, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, okay, I'll just yap. I'm telling you all right now, I'll just talk your head off if you let me. So let's get going. Step number 1 will be nails. We're gonna come here a little bit earlier. That is an airplane up there. Can you see it? We're gonna do nails first and then continue on our shopping trip. Next up, Old Navy. I need to pick up my skirt. Then we're gonna look around. I really liked this when I was here from my Old Navy little try on I did. I just wish it was a regular t-shirt style because I think it could be cute with a baggier shirt style with shorts. But I guess I could look at the 3X. I still think it would be a little bit more fitted than I would want. I'm liking this one. I pinned a picture of a graphic tee with leopard shorts and sneakers, and I already have the leopard shorts and the sneakers. So I'm thinking this might give me the best option because of all the different colors. So they have extra large and a 2X. And I want it roomy, boxy-ish. So I need to put these two next to each other and see which one would work best. All right, I found this one in the men's section. I liked that it was golf and had green and blue. It's not quite the fit that I want. I mean, it's not terrible. I just wanted a more boxy fit. This, again, with the leopard shorts and probably my green No Boundaries sneakers. Then we have this one in a 2X. This is more the fit I'm going for, a little bit roomy, a little bit shorter. This one's very see-through. Could be cute with leopard shorts that look just like these, but they're leopard print instead of black. And then my sneakers. I just wish it wasn't so see-through, and I also wish it was more like this tan color versus white. But this is very cute. Actually, now that I think about it, I have a Kors cowboy type shirt that might be exactly what I'm looking for. So we might pass on this, on both of these. Only thing I'm getting at Old Navy is my little denim skirt that I online ordered for pickup. We are now at Target. I have a few things to try on. This I've been seeing in so many TikToks. It's adorable. Just little things. Oh, these shorts. Okay, so cute. This set. And then this seashell cropped top. I liked the graphic on this Saint-Tropez t-shirt. It's super soft. Also, the blue color is really pretty. It's not quite as oversized as I would like. Wild Fable is the brand and a size extra, extra large. We're gonna pass. It's soft and it's cute, but not for what I'm looking for. Future Collective top, Wild Fable shorts, both are in a size extra, extra large. I loved this. The little pearl like detail. It is a crop shirt and the shorts are not high-waisted. They're also more like pajama feeling. I don't know if they're actually pajama shorts. I thought this was gonna be a cute outfit. I don't know if I like either piece. Hello, how are you? Welcome back. Today is Tuesday. It is 10:30. I am sitting outside of Publix. We will get to my purchases yesterday once we get back home, but I wanted to get maybe some waters for us to take. We forgot to get all that stuff yesterday, so maybe some waters. I also need to get something for supper tonight. I pulled out ground beef and we had a can of sloppy Joe mix, so I'm gonna get buns and maybe some fries. That'll be for dinner tonight. Maybe 4 smart waters, a couple for the cars, a couple for the hotel room. I'm not getting snacks or anything. I don't really know what she wants. Plus I feel like we're gonna be in a town or a city. We can go buy snacks if we want them. And then when we get home, I'm going to blow dry my hair because I showered and just put it in a clip to head out. Once I do all of those things, I need to start laundry. We will pack together. And then I will show you my few purchases that I got yesterday. I also need to remember to put a couple of beach towels in here because those seats get so hot. And I don't know if I told y'all this or not, but someone in my comments, oh, I think I did, said it was going to be record heat in Nashville. And I don't want my poor bare legs and hers to stick to those car seats. We don't like the sesame seed buns, so we just get these bunny burgers will work, bunny burger buns. We are out of Diet Cokes and I don't want to leave him without any. Plus we need a couple for supper tonight. All right, smart waters. What is that? Buy any one smart water, get one for free. Perfect. Oh, those are massive though. The 1.5 liter, I think is this size. I don't know if we want them that big. Are they the same price? I think I'm just gonna get a couple of these. Let's do these Idaho brand French fries. Last thing is one of these. I'm gonna eat this for lunch today. I love putting those Bare, B-A-R-E brand chicken nuggets, like you put them in the air fryer and then pop them in one of these salads. So good. I forgot to make me a water when I left this morning and I feel parched. Let me go ahead and show you what I got yesterday because my hair is not quite ready to be blow dried. These might be my favorite purchase of yesterday. I found these at TJ Maxx for $19.99. This is the brand. There you go. They tie around your ankle. They do have some cushion. I don't know how comfortable they will be like walking long distance, but these are the cutest and I love the little pop of color. I could do these for dinner or like walking around during the day. Again, I don't know how comfortable they'll be. Like wearing them around the store and trying them on, they were fine, but this might be my favorite purchase. And then I bought these at Target. Are they not? Oh, there is a heel on them. The cutest, like look at the little seashell. These were $35, but they were so easy to walk in, so comfortable. It does say memory foam on the tag here. But these, like this heel is so, like this height heel anyways, is so easy for me to walk in. But the strap sits on your foot like that. I love the seashells. I'm so into seashells right now. So these may very well be coming with me depending on what outfits we pick out together. I got a few toiletry type items. I re-upped on my moisturizer, for my toothbrush, and then for my soap. And this you didn't see me try on, but this is the skirt that I got from Old Navy. And this is still happening. I need to maybe iron it or y'all had some good suggestions in the comments on my Old Navy haul. So maybe I need to look in our little kit that we have in the laundry room and see if I can tape that down. But my denim skirt, obsessed with this. I think this is gonna be a daytime skirt outfit. I did just start my laundry. I'm gonna take my hair out of this clip, maybe let it air dry just a little bit. I have on these boxer green gingham shorts. I think they would be so cute with the graphic tee with these shoes. Anyway, we'll put outfits together. I'll see you once we get to that point. Sorry, my mom's calling me. Welcome back. I have picked out my outfits for this trip. It has taken me, it's 3 o'clock now. So it's been a minute, but let me show you. Also, I got so sweaty, like trying everything on. Let me pull up my little notes app. So night one, I am taking this Old Navy short dress, and these are the wide calf boots that Brian found for me. Cheyenne is the brand. I can put fingers in there. I can't put my whole hand. Wait. All right, here's what they look like on me. I can stick more of my hand down there than I thought I could. I would call these wide calf, definitely not extra wide calf. I will put my calf measurements so that you can see. I do wish I had a little bit more room, but I'm not upset about it. I think these are adorable. I am so excited about these. I will probably wear them with several outfits. I just don't know how my feet are gonna feel, but I do love them. Next day during the day, I am taking this spritz tee from the Loft, and I have these leopard print shorts that were part of a set I got from Shein. I would love to wear these with that outfit, these ankle sandals. Again, I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to walk in them a long distance because I haven't worn them. So I am taking a backup. Let me put the picture here. Like, I saved a couple of things to Pinterest of my inspiration, just so you can kind of get an idea. Dinner Thursday night, I'm going with this universal thread denim vest with this black Old Navy skirt. I own these cowboy boots as well that I thought could be cute. These are very comfortable. I've worn them before. I just think the black ones might be a little bit cuter, but again, I don't know if my feet will hurt in the black ones. So I am gonna take these. I own them. Like, when else am I gonna wear cowboy boots? I mean, I guess I could just wear them where I live, but I think these could be cute with that outfit. Friday during the day, I'm doing this denim skirt with this blue tee that I just got from Old Navy. I think it's so cute. Shoe-wise, we'll do these blue No Boundaries sneakers. Dinner Friday, I am doing this dress from Walmart. It is adorable. It's navy, though it might look a little bit black here. And then those heels that I just bought from Target with this dress. I am taking this little 9 West bag to do with this outfit, and then this black Walmart bag with the other outfits for the other nights. Also, I feel like it's important to mention I am not limited on packing, hence why I'm bringing so many different shoes and outfits. The next day, which is Saturday, I'm gonna do this black linen set from Walmart. I can do either pair of sneakers or these I would love to do. Again, depends on how my feet feel. Saturday night for dinner, I am doing these Walmart, like Sophia brand pull-on flare jeans with this leopard tie top, I think. This could be really cute with the tall black boots as well. You won't see the boots, but they'll be cute under these jeans. I am taking an extra daytime outfit just in case, again, because I have space. Abercrombie black linen shorts. And then this adorable cropped, like super boxy tee from Chic Soul. Blue sneakers with that outfit. And then my extra nighttime outfit just in case will be this blue dress from Chic Soul. I own white cowboy boots too. Could that be cute? I think so. My ride home outfit, just these linen pants from Lane Bryant and this tee, like super comfy outfit. I need to pack all this now. I'm gonna film a little Instagram reel / TikTok of me like packing everything up. I do have PJs, and then I need to grab like bras and all that sort of stuff, but I'm gonna end this video here because I wanna edit it so that you can watch it while I'm gone. But yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna let you go so that I can wrap all this up, put it in my suitcase, let Brian put it in my car for me. I don't know how much I'll vlog. Again, like, I hope I can find some really good plus size thrifted type things. I also thought about putting on a fake tan, but the fact that it's gonna be so hot, and it's so hot where I live, I don't wanna sweat it off, you know what I mean? I do wish I had like a body bronzer, like I see like a shimmer bronzer that people use all the time on TikTok, so I could like use it on my shoulders and legs and stuff. Maybe we'll find something when we get down there for that. But I will be posting a lot on Instagram, TikTok. I will do my very best to post like my outfit videos and stuff that would normally go to Instagram and TikTok only. I will do my very best to post them as shorts. So that way, if you don't have those other social media platforms, you can still see the outfits and whatever we do here on YouTube. All right, that's it. I will see y'all in my next video. Goodbye.